Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing the same chapter number 6, animating text and object. And today we will cover one topic, that is using action button. Action button are basically some built-in button shapes. We can insert that button shape in our slide. We can provide any action to that button. For example, if we want to jump to the last slide, if we want to jump to the first slide, if we want to jump to the previous slide, after clicking on this button during the slideshow, we can do it. So how we can do it? Let's start it. So now I am opening one presentation here. You can see I have opened one presentation. I am showing you slideshow. See, one by one each slide will play. This is my second slide, third, fourth, fifth, like that. I can play all the slide. Sometimes it is required to jump to the another slide during the slideshow. So how we can do it? For example, we are on third slide and we want to jump to the last slide. So we have to make link so that we can jump to the last one slide or any other slide. So how we can do it? By using the action button. So for creating the action button, just click on insert tab. When you will click on insert tab, you can see here illustration group. You can see here illustration groups are here. I can show you the third one is illustration group. And in the illustration group, you can see one option shapes. You can see one option is shapes. So just click on shapes. Click on shapes. When you will click on shapes, use this scroll bar. At the last, you will find action buttons. These are some built-in action buttons. So you can take any action button, click on anyone, and then with the help of mouse, just make that button. You can see here one dialog box has been appeared here, that is action setting dialog box. In this you can see mouse click and mouse over. Two tabs are here. Mouse click means we want to perform action by clicking on the button during the slideshow, and mouse over means we want to perform an action during the slideshow by just point out with the mouse on that button during the slideshow. So if you want to do by mouse click, just click on it. If you want to do mouse over, just click on mouse over. All the options under here, you can see all options are same. So if I want to do it by mouse click, just click on mouse click button. None means we don't want to create any link. And second one is hyperlink to. On which slide I want to jump to the last slide. You can see here there are many options: next slide, previous, first, last, and show, like that. So if I want to jump to the last slide, just go to last slide. Play sound. If you want to play the sound, when you will click on the button, you want to play any sound, click on play sound. Here you will find some sounds are here. Just click on any sound and then click on OK button. Now during the slideshow, when we will click on this button, directly it will jump to the last slide. It will not go to the second, it will not go to the third, and like that. So I am showing to you. During the slideshow it happens. If directly I will just click on it or press the enter key, the next slide will play. But if I will click on button, not on the slide, if I will click on button, then it will jump to the last slide. It will jump to the... So you have listened the voice also, and you can see this is my last slide. I can show you now where it is. You can see here, this one was my last slide, that is. So like that we can create button and we can provide the link. If you don't want to make link on the current presentation, if you want to make a link to the slide of another presentation, so that is also possible by using the same action button. How you can do it? Again, click on the insert tab. Under the shapes, go to the shapes. Using the scroll bar, go to the action button. Just make one action here, action button over here. From here, hyperlink to. Click on it. Here is the option other PowerPoint presentation. Just click on it. Now there will be one dialog box. Which PowerPoint presentation you want to open? You can see here one dialog box is here. Hyperlink to other PowerPoint presentation. So these are my PowerPoint presentation. So just open it. It is showing there are 3 slides. Which slide you want to play? For example, I want to play the second one, PowerPoint. So just click on OK and then click on OK. Now I am showing to you slideshow. I am doing from the current slide, and you know from the current slide shortcut key is Shift plus F5 if you want to play from the current one. So I have given on the mouse click, so just click on it. Automatically you can see that is the slide of another presentation. Clear everyone? If you want to do some changes again, if you want to make the link to another one, so what you will do, just select it and then go to the insert tab, and under the insert tab you will see links groups are here, and in this you can see action option is here. If you want to do some changes, if you want to give some another action to it, then go to insert tab and then click on action button. Then click on action button. So just click on action button. The same dialog box will appear again. Action setting dialog box. Hyperlink to. You can give any, next, previous, whatever you want to give. If you don't want to give the slides of the any presentation, you want to make the link to another file, just click on other file. So you can make the link to MS Word file, you can make the link to picture, whatever, wherever you want to make the link. So just click on it. See, for example, I want to make link to this picture. Just select that picture and click on OK. If you want to play the sound also, just click on play sound. Which sound you want to play, just select it and then click on OK. Now I'm showing you slideshow by pressing Shift plus F5 from the current slideshow. Click on it. Now you can see here, picture has been opened now because we have created the link with this. So I'm just crossing it. here, so we can create the link like that also. It's up to you how we want to make the link. If you want to do some other changes, if you don't want to do by mouse clicking, just mouse over. Again, go to the action button, select that one button. From here, you just change it if you want to go to the previous slide. This is my second slide and previous slide is first one slide. And if you want to do by mouse over, just click on mouse over, hyperlink to, I want to do it previous slide. If you want to play the sound also, then you can take it from here, sound. Okay. Now during the slideshow, no need to click on this button. Just put the cursor on it. Here we have given the link. So like that, you can make the link to the slides or another file.